Hey everyone. Today we're going to show you how to create and use one of the key features of the Probuild app, which is the project feed. Project feeds are essentially a central hub where all job-related information is housed in one place. Now on the project tab, you'll see a list of all the projects that have already been created associated to your business, and you have the option to sort those based on their status. So whether it's a lead, in progress, completed, or paid. Now we're going to create a new project to add to this list by tapping on the plus icon in the corner. First thing we're going to do is enter basic information about the project itself. Enter name, description, set the project status. In this case, we'll select in progress. Then we're going to assign a client to this project. Here we have the option of selecting a new client or selecting a saved client from our client list. If we select a saved client, it'll auto-populate the name, address of that client in the project description. You may also choose to assign this project to a new client that's not already in your client list, in which case select new client. Then enter all of the associated information, their name, address, contact information. You can add private notes. For example, person has a dog or a couple dogs. When you're ready, tap on Save and Next. The next step is very important, and that's assigning users to that project. Now, if you want a user to have access to the project feed to be able to see information related to that project and enter information or log hours against it and they're using their timesheets, they need to be added as a user on that project. So we've now created a new project. Now at the top of the project feed, you'll see basic information related to this project. A lot of this information can be edited directly in the feed. For example, you could delete the project if you wish. You could view the map of the client's location. You can edit the status of the project. View and access timesheet totals associated with this project. Project information. Edit users. And view client information. Since this is a new project, the project feed is currently empty. Now, as work gets started on this project, users can start to add information directly to this project feed. To create a new post, we can tap on the plus icon in the corner, and it'll reveal a list of options available to us, including adding estimates, invoices. In this case, we're going to select Choose Document in order to link an existing estimate to this project. Now, when creating a post, you'll be prompted to assign a visibility to that post. So while all users assigned to that project may be able to access the project feed, you can limit who has access to individual posts within that project feed. In this case, we've uploaded an estimate to the feed, and we only want those assigned the role of admin to have access to that estimate. Now, let's say you've created a post and realized that you forgot to include certain information, or you want to change the visibility of that post after the fact. You always have the option of going back and editing or deleting the post. To do this, we'll tap on the downward facing arrow in the corner of the post to open a list of options. In this case, we'll select Edit Post. We're going to add a few photos to the post to help supplement the information we've already provided and help everyone in the team have a visual update of where we're at on this project. So we can now see that the information we've changed in the post is showing up in the project feed. As you can see, project feeds are a really powerful way of organizing information and allowing the entire team who's responsible for that project to stay up to date. As always, if you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to contact us. Thanks again for using Probuild.